Ever wonder why bulldogs have that adorable wrinkly face? Let's dive into the world of bulldog brilliance. These squishy-faced pups are the masters of snoring. Seriously, if you need a good nap soundtrack, bulldogs have you covered. They're also as loyal as your favorite pair of jeans, making them fantastic family pets and unbeatable cuddle buddies. Training a bulldog? Well, that's an adventure. It's like trying to convince a cat to fetch. They're stubborn but oh so charming. And exercise? Bulldogs prefer a short walk followed by a long nap. Netflix and chill is their jam with a side of drool. Yes, they drool, a lot. But who can resist that face? So if you want a furry friend who's tough, sweet, and a bit of a couch potato, the bulldog is your ultimate companion.